Hey guys, so as you can see, we have a few jobs to do in the kitchen. Parts, couple of pottering around, cleaning the floors, little bits like that. Now, how does that tie into this channel and your mental health? Little jobs like that, vacuuming, mopping, brushing the floors, general everyday cleaning. That gets you up and gets you out your chair, gets you out possibly out of your comfort zone if you're like myself and struggle to get out. But if you can't get out and leave the door, leave the home, this is a way you can get that physical activity that we've mentioned in every other video, get you up out your chair, and also it gives you that fresh mind. Now, the way I work about it is clean mind, clean home. Also works the opposite way round. Clean home gives you a cleaner mind. You feel better because you've got up and you've done something productive. Once it's clean, you can then turn around like me at the minute. I'm going through a clean because we're decorating soon. Obviously, you guys that have been on the channel long enough or have even been on the Twitch or the YouTube channel know that we moved in this place this time last year, last March. Now, we're decorating soon. We can't decorate until we know what colours we want and the place is clean and tidy and everything's got a place. Now, most places have got a place. Obviously, we've got a couple of things as I've just shown you on top of the fridge, but it's got a place. Now we need to use clean home, clean mind. Doing little jobs, vacuuming, brushing, mopping, cleaning, even wiping your sides down, whatever it might be, just them little nicky-tacky jobs that you can actually do throughout your day rather than all at once. This is something I try and get my partner and my other family members doing. Rather than like most people can, where they just completely blitz their home within an hour or 2 hours, break them down, especially if you struggle physically with it. Break it down and do the pots. Go and have a break, have a cup of coffee. I have mine with me. Then once you've done the pots and you've had your break, come back, do the sides. That's the top half of it done. You can then go and do the floors. That's the room basically clean now. You've done your floors, you've done your sides, you've done your pots. What else really is there to do in the kitchen? You've wiped everything down, you've done your pots. All that's left now is your floors. Give it a quick brush, give it a vac, give it a mop, job done. That's the room out the way. Do it with the rest. Break down your daily jobs, guys. Clean home, clean mind. This is your ticket to go and do yours.